Alright guys, so we're here at Landmark 81 and it's a completely different scene from the rest of the Vietnam. This mall is very modern and it's got reputable brand names inside. First of all, I see Gap here, and then I see some Korean cosmetic brands along with nice coffee shops. What I'm going to try to do is, I read somewhere that I can access the cafe for less of a price, which is cheaper than the actual tower. Apparently there's a coffee shop up there where it has a similar view, so I'm going to try to figure it out and check it out. So I found the entrance. Apparently I need to go up to the 48th floor and then take another elevator from there to go up all the way to the 75th floor at the cafe. So let's check it out. Alright, so we're now on the 48th floor. Still a pretty fantastic view from here, but we're gonna try to go to 75th floor and see what the cafe looks like. Only one? Okay, thank you. Let's go check out the view. Wow, look at this view. It's gorgeous. It's not a super clear day, but it could have been much worse. This is actually better than what I imagined. Here's another view from the cafe on the 75th floor. Absolutely gorgeous. I highly recommend you guys to check it out. An iced coffee is about 150,000 dong, so it's not bad of a price. So here's a stairway to go up a little higher. Let's see what's up here. So technically I'm going very close to the 81st floor without paying double the price. So this is an extended floor of the coffee shop here. Equally spacious. So I crossed the street from Landmark 81 and here I am at the park that is right across the street, and this seems like a popular park for many of the residents around here. these lines of massive apartments. I can't even guess how many units those are. Incredible. Look at all these people just chilling on the grass. There's the landmark 81. There's some vending machines here for drinks and snacks. That's really convenient. And check out these two viewpoint towers. It looks like it's possible to climb up there, so let's check it out. This is absolutely gorgeous.